Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one that came out of a Exotic Nudes box. Go to exoticnudes.com, use the coupon code RamenRaider15 for a discount. And if I'm not mistaken, last night was the 2020 US presidential election. Earth still standing? I hope so. How's it going, future? Right now it is September 29th. So we're about to have the first debate tonight. So between now and where you are, in the really not so far future, God only knows what's conspired and happened, but I hope you're all okay. Got some green curry for you. This is it's a school day. I've got 45 minutes to crank out 2 quick reviews, and these are things I've done before. So these videos might actually end up in the old reviews at the bottom. It's kind of cool. Here's the broth. I'm gonna drop these noodles in here. You do it for 3 minutes. So get down in there, you so and so. Get down in there. There's just one sachet. That doesn't seem right. I wonder if I dumped it in. I wonder if it's in there. Is it in here? Oh, looks like there's just one sachet. I thought there was 2. Usually there is 2. I guess I can rotate the noodle a little bit. Look around. Trying to get stuff done really quick, and you know, mistakes can happen. Although they're rare when it comes to me, the Ramen Raider. But yeah, they do happen. So there's that. There's that. What we'll do is we will lit it up, give this 3 minutes, and get to our quote of the day from... Hey, Mimi, you go play. Go play. Go have fun. Love you. Go, go, go. The listening these days is at a minimum. No. Go, go, go. Go. Miriam, go. 5, 4, 3. You know what happens when it gets to 1? Nothing. So, we're at number 56. These are all quotes from the guy who invented instant noodles. If you're a Star Trek fan, it's kind of like the Ferengi rules of acquisition. Number 56. The work of the developer is to read the times. Well, all right. I'll say that's not my favorite one. It's not bad. Yeah. Went on a good walk today. Tonight's the debate. I'm ready to have a beer already. God, who knows? Who knows what the world will be like tomorrow? Probably not any better, that's for sure. Mimi has been a pill today. Miles has already had 2 Zoom meetings, and he's got his 3rd coming up in about half an hour. And she's had a tantrum at every single turn for absolutely no reason other than she's not getting attention. So, with that, I'm ready to strangle my sweet little daughter. No, not funny. And, yeah. Doing my do. Miriam, go. You're on my list. My short list. Found some interesting new things out on walking. Yesterday I found a little square thing. I think it's like a mount for a camera. And then I found a little card somebody got printed that they got given, I'm sure, at a funeral for some guy who died. It looked like he was only 40, which is pretty young. Born in 80, died this year. Didn't say anything about why he died, but he liked Metallica. It mentioned that. He liked whiskey too. Those are the two things to remember about this fella. He liked whiskey and he liked Metallica. It's like, I don't know, that's rough. I don't know that I would want my gravestone having that on it. He enjoyed pretty mainstream metal, and he liked tying one on. How about like, he spent a lot of time. Ah, look at that. I was right. Ah ha ha ha. Welly, welly, well. Well, this should be an easy sachet to dump in. There we go. This one's green curry. This was on my top 10 list one year too, folks. It's been a while. I knew there was another sachet. I knew it. I freaking knew it. So here, green curry. Let's give it a try. It really has been a long time. I think it's been at least 5 years since it was in the top 10. Cheers. Yeah. Nice green curry flavor. Nice bite to it. Wow. Means business, folks. You gotta enjoy the business. I've got like a bunch of noodles coming today. I gotta do like unboxings up the wazoo. Tonight's supposed to be bath time for the little kiddos, but I don't know how well that's going to work with the debate. Like, no. I think maybe it'll be tomorrow. They ain't too stinky. Little coriander. I know what you're saying. That's cilantro, Ramen Raider. Yeah, well, in Thailand they call it coriander. And it needs a little bit of chicken. Baked chicken, coriander, and some chili pepper. You really don't need anything else. So with that, a quick fire instant noodle. recipe time for you.
Fuego en mi alma, fuego en mi corazón, mi amor por ti es puro fuego. ¡Candela! Felizmente hoy ella es mi esposa. Cada noche es más amorosa. Nuestro amor por siempre vivirá. No hay barreras que no vencerá. No, no, no. Fuego, fuego en mi corazón.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment in your noodles each and every day. I hope the world is still there. Yeah.
Fuego en mi
The hell with it.
corazón.
Have a good one. Bye-bye.